Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to reset the settings up on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if the settings application is not working properly, and I'll show you how to repair it. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung apps settings. And then next, I click mo lang tong app settings. And then direct tayo dito sa app settings mga kaibigan. And then next step, I scroll down. And then dito lang makikita mo dito yung reset. And then next, I kailangan mo lang i-click to repair. Okay, so if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. Okay, so click mo lang tong repair. And then wait natin nang ma-complete yung repair system. Okay, and the next step ay pwede naman mong i-reset dito in the second method na if this app still isn't working right, reset it, the apps dito will be deleted. Okay, so click mo lang itong reset ulit. So click mo lang ito. And then this will permanently delete the apps data on this device. Okay, so i-click mo lang ito, reset. Alright, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang itong start menu and then click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so if you're still having an issue and not resolved, do this another solutions. So dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang is-type dito yung CMD. And then ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then next, ay mag-right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan mo lang itap yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. Ayan, so one word yung scan now with the slash. So sfc /scan now and then press mo lang yung enter. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung process. Alright, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. Okay, so ang next step dito ay close lang natin tong CMD and then kailangan mo lang ulit mag-restart. So click mo lang tong restart. Yan, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-reset ang the settings apps on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.